Hi, today let me introduce to you the Project Alpha. Project Alpha is a duplex site, meaning what there is at the moment a old house, we shall be knocking it down and then we'll be putting a duplex. Now what I mean by a duplex is that it'll be one building which will be divided in the center, and later as the construction completes, legally it will be divided into two separate properties and sold individually or rented out individually or whatever we wish to do with it. So without further ado, let me get into the design specifics and so forth. So the designs of Project Alpha has been approved by council. This is how it should look when finished. Obviously we'll see how it turns out in real life. Some of the challenges for designing the Alpha project that we had to solve for is that the land is not perfectly rectangular. So the building has to follow the line of the two side boundaries, which comes closer as we go towards the back of the property. So each side will have 4 bedrooms and your usual bathrooms and open plan living and so forth, all the modern amenities and so forth. While the designs were going through the approval process with the council, it takes a few months. We moved in there to stay there, and when we moved in, we did some minor quick renovations, like really light touches here and there. Let me show you some of them. This bench top, it was the old-fashioned tiled bench top, and not sure how biologically sound it was. So we put a coat of paint on it. There's a particular kind of tile paint that goes on, and in a few months' time, it hasn't worn out. It served its purpose. Likewise, these drawers that we see here has been covered with vinyl. These are vinyl stickers, and to good effect. Although not new, but functionally it worked. Since we knew this place was going to be knocked down and we'd be living here only for a few months, we did as little changes as possible. But floors had to be redone or something, right? Because old carpets, let's just say we're not a big fan of them. When we were ripping them out, we found needles and stuff on it. Not needles, but sewing needles. There was an old lady who used to live here. Probably she did crochet and whatnot. So once the carpets were out, these timber boards were like a blank palette. So we painted it white. Kind of like the idea of a white floor. Now, they're a nightmare to maintain. To keep clean, it's a bit of a hassle, as you can see. That was the Project Alpha as it stands now. However, we've moved out of there since because the construction is about to begin. And soon I'll be sharing some of the updates as it happens. Please do subscribe to my channel so you are updated with how things are progressing, and there will be a lot of lessons along as we go, each stages of the build. Well, hope to see you soon. Take care of yourself.